Hello and welcome to the workshop. A couple of weeks ago, Nicole and I tried our hand at some paint pouring. It was our first attempt and it turned out pretty good. Now that video ended up being over 45 minutes long because I kept it kind of raw, but I realized that video might have been too long for some of you guys. So I've cut it down and made it a bit more fun and exciting. So on today's episode, you're going to see the recut. Now one more thing before we take a look at it, I wanted to give you a sneak peek on what I'm working on for this weekend. Check this out. It's a massive blank. Now I'm trying something a little different with this one and I'm not sure if it's going to work. So you'll have to make sure you watch that video to see if it does. Now let's get on with this pouring.
Oh, you went with squiggly lines. Yeah. I've gone straight.
You went for straight.
Yeah.
Do you want the red or
I'll
the
have, yeah, I'll have red, please.
Okay, now I'm going to go with the orange. Mine looks like a cheese pizza.
A cheese pizza. I wouldn't mind a little bit of colour here.
Yeah, what colour do you want?
Probably go orange and yellow.
Orange and yellow?
Yeah, because there's a lot of red going through here.
Orange. Oh, you're going for it. Holy crap.
That has just blown my mind.
Look at that. That looks amazing. That's cool. What do you guys think of them?
I think we're now artists.
We're now artists.
We are.
No, definitely not.
Why? Why?
We
Look
are.
at them. They're masterpieces.
Masterpieces. I think they look really good.
I'm pretty impressed.
So now we just leave these to dry, I guess?
Yeah.
And then come back tomorrow and see how they look?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, that's what we're going to do. I mean, it won't be tomorrow for you guys. It'll be probably 10 seconds, but...
Tomorrow for us.
Tomorrow for us. So it's now the next day, but before we take a look at these, I want to show you a quick clip that I did yesterday of these drying in the back of my ute. Now they still looked really good while they were drying, but check out how they look now. So dull.
Yeah, all the colours just faded.
I don't understand what happened. I mean, did we use the wrong paint?
Did we use too much black?
I'm not sure. Here, let me show you guys a close-up. I mean, the colour's still there.
It's really strange because like this section here
Still looks a bit glossy.
is still glossy.
Yep.
But the rest of it's really
weird.
dull.
Like the colour's still there, but it's just dull, so I'm not sure. What do you think we need to do to these?
Do you think putting on a varnish, like a clear varnish would...
Yeah, like a spray gloss
yeah.
or something like that.
Yep.
And hopefully that brings the shine back.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have a look around and see what we got, and hopefully we got something that can bring this shine back up.
Yeah, it really needs it.
I already kind of feel like the colour's coming back. What do you think?
It looks a little brighter, yeah.
Yeah. What do you think?
They definitely look brighter.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Hopefully a couple more coats and they look just as good as when we poured them.
Hopefully.
All right, we'll leave these for a bit and then we'll put some more coats on. So it's now been a few days, and as you can see, we've been quite busy.
We sure have.
Now this one down the bottom here is my favorite, so I'm gonna leave that till last to show you. But let's run through these and see how they look. Now those are the ones you saw us do on camera, and we did a few off camera. Now the first one we did was this one.
Okay, and I think this was another one that you sprayed?
Yep, that's another one that I sprayed. I think I might have, did I use matte?
Yeah, that's a matte spray rather than a gloss.
We were just trying different things to see how it looks, but look at this. Look at the way that flows. It might look better this way. So these last two, I did the varnish again. So we've got that one. As you can see, there's quite glossy. I think that's really nice as well. You guys ready? Look at that.
How beautiful is
Oh
that?
man, I love it. It just works so well.
Yeah.
Nice
You got
and
some
glossy.
nice cells in it too.
Yeah, I absolutely love this one. Well guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you like the shorter version or the longer version. And also don't forget to tune in to this weekend's episode where I turn this on the lathe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.